Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Zenzen! Wow! Come. Happy birthday, Zenzen. Oh, kiss. Oh, kiss. Tomorrow cake mo. Oh, kiss Papa. What did you say? Thank you. Thank you, Mommy, Daddy. It's Fudgy Bar. You want to eat?
No.
Hindi siya kumain ng rice eh. Okay, open Papa. You eat Yarad. Tomorrow your cake, okay? You're gonna blow a big cake tomorrow.
Careful you eat.
Yes, you eat.
Eat big.
Tayo, sleep na kayo ni Daddy. Yes, tomorrow. Big.
There. Go sit here. Sit there.
Here, dito. Here.
Sit there.
You sit here.
Sit there.
Kinain niya na agad yung favorite.
Sit there. Go sit there.
Hi guys! So, today, gagawa tayo ng chip bag ni Zen. Party hat, tar papel, tapos yung mga chip bags niya, lalagyan natin ng candy, yung mga binili natin nung last. So, keep watching! Wow! Tignan niyo yung mga ganap namin sa birthday ni Zen. Nandun siya sa labas, busy. Today is June 3. Now, so guys, gagawa tayo ng tar papel ni Zen. Hindi pa. Sunod na yan guys. 25 pieces. Ang dami. Zigzag chip bags. Paano magiging chip bags? So guys, kasama ko si Buling. Eko. Kasama ko chip bags. May bata kami dun, no? Bisita, nanonood. Hi guys, you say.
Hi guys.
Subscribe to my channel. So guys, ito yung laman ng chip bags ni Zen. Dipit. Candies. Teka, may makulit ng Google. Candy. Ito bang candy? Flat tops. Yema. 5 pirasong flat tops. Tapos marshmallow. Tapos banana splits. 5 prasong stickers. Banana splits again. Lollipop. Tapos laruan. Uy, kinuha mo yan sa akin yan. Eh, doon ka na. Tapos, go there. Kiss me. Okay, boss. Tapos, may bola. Ayan.
Wow, baby.
Tapos, ito. Dragon siya.
Dragon.
Yan. Yun ang laman nito. Madami-dami.
Wow, that's all.
Yeah, that's you. Who's this?
A dinosaur.
Oh, this one. Zen eating donut.
Easy.
Happy birthday to yourself. Come on. Happy birthday, Zen. Happy birthday. Come on. Happy birthday, Zen. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Zen. Oh, blow, blow, blow. Oh, very good. Mwah. Give me banana. Mukha ni Zen. Ito yung tarpaulin. Tar papel ang tawag dyan. Pero, glossy paper. Ba, Zen? Hi.
Sorry, glossy.
Siya nagagawa. Oh. Ito yung salad. Gagawa na ako gabi na ngayon. Para bukas malamig na. Shh! Ito yung gulaman. So guys, ito yung mga regalo na ipon. Yan. Si Batets yung magtarap. Saka si nung oras na, gabi na. Yee. It's so guys, patapos na si PJ. Yan. Yung bata na. Ilang oras na lang, Zen. Magbe-birthday ka na. 1 hour na lang, mahigit. Yan, pinagdugtong-dugtong ni PJ. Kaya ang daming kalat. So, guys, tapos na. Ay, sino Lola ba? Lola Pia mo? Yan, 7 na gift. Thanks to Batits. Puyat na sila. Hindi masyado puno yan. Bawasan mo doon. Baka matap. Oh. Ang yabang, oh. Oh. Ang galing naman. Dami mo. Kulang pa pala. Oh, yummy! Ay, tingnan kayo dyan ha! Sabi kayo dito. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Zen. Happy birthday. Ay, binulong dyan na. Sige, blow. Unos. Okay. Wow. One more, one more, one more. One more. Very good. Happy birthday, Zen. Ay, anak na. Ay,
Feeling right. Raise your hands up. Feeling. Raise your hands up and feel. feeling